Hi, I'm Tim, manager of Sun Outdoors St. Augustine. Thank you for booking your stay with us. Let me show you around. Let's go. Our resort has many amenities, including this beautiful heated swimming pool, as well as a recreation area with a fire pit, playground, as well as a fitness center, and a beautiful clubhouse where we host many events and activities. One of the things that draws our guests here is the peace and serenity as we're surrounded by nature. Here at our resort, we are pet friendly. Make sure to bring your furry friends to one of our many dog parks. Really want to make sure you're as comfortable here as you are at home. We have 3 comfort stations for all your needs: showers, bathrooms, laundry facilities, as well as a propane dispensary. Don't forget to visit our local attractions. St. Augustine, the oldest city in America, with a beautiful historic district, beautiful beaches, and don't forget the St. Augustine Alligator Farm and Zoological Gardens. Our entire team is here to make you have an unforgettable stay, like our activities director, Melissa.
Thanks, Tim. If there's anything I can do to make your stay even better, come and find me in the Welcome Center.
We have many options for your RV sites. A standard or cozy site that's gravel with grass, elite sites that are fully pavered with a nice big patio. Even if you don't have an RV, we've got great cottages you can stay in. They're fully furnished. Just bring your personal essentials. Download our Sun Outdoors mobile app where you can book your next stay and plan your upcoming adventure. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors St. Augustine, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.